Good morning, folks. I wanted to show you how to correctly log on your Beachbody On Demand app, both your measurements, your weight, and of course your shakes and your workouts. So you're going to click on the Beachbody On Demand app, and you're going to go all the way to the right on the very bottom of your screen and click on Tracking. You'll see on the very, very bottom of my screen, I have Tracking, Groups, Body, Programs, Home. I'm going to show you what each of those buttons mean, but first and foremost, Tracking. So if you haven't actually set this up yet to be Portion Fix, you can edit it right here in this Edit button. You can edit your containers. I had to change this from Portion Fix to 4 weeks for everybody by going up and down, toggling on the plus and minus buttons, and then clicking Save. You should be set to Portion Fix. To log your workout, you're simply going to click on this plus button to log manually. Whenever you do a workout on Beachbody On Demand, a little button will pop up that says, "You finished a workout, share with the group." And you can simply click on that and a similar screen to this will pop up. So if you want to manually log, you go ahead and put whatever you want here, how long it was, and then the time of day. Again, all of this will automatically log if you have actually done a Beachbody On Demand or body workout. You can edit it by simply clicking on it. Now, the only way that this will actually share to our group is if you add a photo or put a comment. So I can choose a photo here, or I can take a photo. Either way, you have to have a photo in this in order to post it to the group. And that's the only way that Beachbody On Demand groups will actually say that you have done a workout or logged a shake. Put a little comment how you felt. Click Include My Photo, and then click on the VIP2 group. You can share it to all of our groups, but you must share it to this group in order to make it count. Click on Update, Workout, or Save. In order to log your shake, you click on the plus button. You're going to toggle up one, add your photo. You can either, again, choose or take your photo. This can be a photo of literally anything. It does not have to be a photo of your shake. If you already drank it, that's fine. You can take a picture of an empty cup or your sink. Put a little comment on how it was. We would love for you to share your recipe if you did something fancy. Make sure it's toggled to include your photo and make sure it's toggled to include our group. Then you're going to click Log. Now, in order to see that your log actually made it to the groups, you're going to go all the way down to the bottom of your screen and again, click on Groups. If you're in the first VIP group, it's white. This group is a dark green. That's the group that you want to make sure that you have logged in every single week. So you can click on My Progress and you should be able to see your weight. I'll show you how to log that in a second. How many workouts you've done in your calendar. This should show a blue dot and a green dot that you have actually logged it every single day or 5 days a week. If you go back to Tracking and scroll all the way to the bottom and then click on the arrow going down to Results, this is where you can log your weight, your measurements, and your progress photos. So simply click on the plus button next to weight. You can add your weight. So I know that I'm 129.8 this morning. And then you can log your measurements. So I think I remember my measurements from yesterday, but either way, I can always edit this. I was 37 inches. I was 10 inches in my left and right arms. And you can choose to either share this with me or keep this private to yourself. It will ask you those settings when you first set this up. So I'm just logging my measurements from the end of 4 weeks for everybody and 4-week gut protocol, so that I can keep track of what my body has done. Once you have all your measurements in, on the top right-hand corner, you're going to click log. And then you can also log a progress photo. This I highly recommend doing. Progress photos are so important to help us see what we have done and how we have progressed. Weight, measurements, progress photos. Super, super important. I'm ready to do this program again. So I can share it to any group I would like to. Click share and done. You can also share it on social if you would like to. Okay, so go to bottom, again, the bottom of your screen, the second from the left, click on programs. If you click here, you're going to see the 4-week gut protocol and 4 weeks for everybody. And here are so many things that you need to know about our lessons, our bonus materials, our recipe videos, meal plans and recipes. I'm just toggling here at the very top of my screen, right? So this 4-week gut protocol approved recipes, all of these can be found on this app. So for example, the first one, Bazella. If I just go back to my home button, again, I'm on the very bottom of my screen, home button, and then I search Bazella, search. The recipe for this will come up, and I can just click on the PDF, bottom right of my screen, click on PDF. The PDF will pop up, and I can see the container equivalents right here. I can email this to myself if I want to look at it on my tablet. I also save these to my computer, right? So it tells you the whole entire recipe. Plus, if you click on this play button, it will actually show you a video of how to make this.
In this episode,
which is pretty freaking cool. All right, guys, I hope this helped you to understand Beachbody On Demand and our groups plus tracking. I am so looking forward to our 4-week gut protocol group starting on Monday. If you have any questions, post them below this post and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great morning.